Morning! May kasama tayong makulit!
Ako na.
Okay, sige. Hawakan mo lang, hawakan mo lang.
Go! Camera! Pakita mo yung face mo!
Mag-vlog ka, mag-vlog ka.
Vlog ka na.
Pakita mo, yan. Hindi, ganito. Wait. Yan, hawak mo ganyan para makita ka. Hindi mo pinapakansa. Taas mo.
Yan! Pakita mo yung face mo. Yan! Ganun! Balik na! Ayun na!
Hawakan mo na ganito, yan. Ganito, yan. Just ganyan mo hawakan. Yan. Hello! I am Astrid. Yan. Yes, very good.
I see the people.
Ha?
Hello guys. Hello guys. Kimento kayo.
Hello guys. Hello ka sa kanila, hello ka. Hello ka. Yan.
Hello guys.
Okay, go.
Hello guys.
Hello guys, I'm Astrid.
Hello guys.
Okay, tara. Let's go.
Hello guys.
Hello guys!
Paano ba sa
Hindi. Automatic siya. Yan, ganyan gusto mo? Okay.
I see that.
Automatic siya, yan, ganyan lang.
Mati.
Hello, my name is Astrid.
Oh, tulad.
Okay.
Dito.
Ano?
Tulad.
No, ito automatic siya. Yan.
Paano ito tulad?
Hindi, ganyan siya, ganito. Yan.
Guys, I'm 19.
Hello, welcome to my vlog. Say it. Hello, welcome to my vlog. Say it. Hello, welcome to my vlog.
Ikaw na.
Okay. Hello, welcome to our vlog. This is Astrid, the pinaka-cute na baby girl namin yan. Hello ka, hello.
Bye-bye, bro.
Bye-bye. So guys, kakain kami dito sa Korean barbecue with baby Astrid.
And baby,
Oh, Ate Astrid. Achi Astrid. Achi. Achi na siya, di na siya Shobe. Shobe Achi. Achi ka na? Achi ka na? Ano ka, Shobe? Ano?
Baba Chinchi!
Ano ka? Cute ako.
Baba Chinchi!
Pretty ako, sabi mo, pretty ako.
Ano pretty?
So yan mga insan, dito kami sa Masines. Sobrang na masarap na pagkain. Ano to, pork ribs?
Pork steak.
Sarap. Masarap? Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Astrid. She was very cute, she was very kind, she was very pretty. And she kept on smiling every day. What? You're a good girl. And she was the bravest good girl we ever knew. But then, she is too cute.